Welcome everybody, it is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is March the 30th. We're breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 MLB photos. It's 2-box break from our remaining 8 boxes from last night's case. We randomed up all those numbers. We got 5 and 6. Pick a name, get the 2 by random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. We awarded the Judge and Jeter spots. Alphabetized everybody afterwards. Gave them a chance to trade. Had a late of them. Tucker, Carlton, and MVP is available, guys. Anthony's trades. Alright, guys. Start a cut here, guys. Alright, call out the trades. Alright, I'm sorry, bud. Not seeing anything. Yep, not seeing anything, bud, so here we go. Man. Going to be Wilson Contreras, folks. Pulling a lot of cubbies out of these, man. Beckett hologram on it. Yes, sir. Wilson Contreras. Pulling a lot of cubbies out of these, man. Wow, well, Drew. All right, guys. Alrighty, guys. Bam! Well, you didn't. Thank God you didn't get hit, but finally got a hit for you, Anthony. Gonna be the multi-sport MVPs. Really nice piece, man. Again, Pete Rose, Jim Rice, Mark Schmidt, and with 12 others. Really friggin' nice hit on that, bud. Really nice, man. Well, Anthony, hopefully that'll break your cherry there and get you some damn hits there, bud. Alright, guys. We got 6 boxes left in this case. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Stop on by and join us.